Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you a delicious liver sauté recipe with onion salad that's easy to make and odor-free. I used about 750 grams of chicken liver. The fresher the chicken liver, the better it will taste. As you can see in the video, let's cut it into large pieces. Add half a tea glass of vinegar to a bowl of water. I used apple cider vinegar. Add the chopped liver to this water. Let it sit for about 10 minutes to release any clots and bloody water. Then wash it several times and transfer to a colander. Boil 3 to 4 glasses of water in a pot. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the liver to the boiling water. Stir occasionally carefully without mashing the liver. Cover the pot and bring to a boil. When it reaches boiling point, partially cover the pot to prevent overflow. At this stage it can easily boil over, so don't leave it unattended. Let it boil for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. I boiled mine for 10 minutes, then drained in a colander. In a non-stick pan or pot, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil and the drained liver. Stir and cover, then let it sauté on low heat, stirring occasionally. Meanwhile, let's prepare the onion salad. I used 3 small onions. You can use 2 medium onions. I chopped them with a chopper. You can chop them on a cutting board if you prefer. Finely chop half a bunch of parsley. Transfer to a serving plate. Add 3 teaspoons of sumac. 2 teaspoons of red pepper flakes. And a pinch of salt. Mix gently with your fingertips as shown in the video. I added 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add the juice of half a freshly squeezed lemon. Mix again and spread on the serving plate. At this stage, our liver is nicely sautéed. Before removing from heat, add 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon cumin, and half a teaspoon black pepper. You can add other spices you like. Stir for 1 to 2 minutes, then remove from heat. Let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes to cool slightly. Then pour over the onion salad. Onion salad is essential for liver sauté. Be sure to serve it together. Our delicious, tender liver sauté is ready to serve. I hope you try and enjoy it. If you enjoyed the video, you can support me with your likes and comments.